Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some more teen numbers. And this one Miss Keegan's really gonna help you with because it's a little weird on what you're supposed to do because we're gonna make a group of 10 and then we're gonna have some extra of ones, but we're not gonna do it on a tens frame. It's gonna be different. So, oh my gosh, I hope you can handle it. All right, so what you're gonna need today is if you want, not if you want, you got to have it. You need to have your 6.7 and your 6.7 from your work packets. All right, I'm gonna do mine with marker, but if you guys wanna use counters on this and circle things for me with counters, that would be great too. So it's up to you on how you want to do it, okay? So I can show you both ways. So let me flip for you guys. All right, so I have my paper right here and I have my markers and I also have my counters to help me. All right, we're going to go ahead and start on this side first, okay? The 6.7 with the circles and the circling of what number it is. Okay, so what this person did is they wanted to get 15. So they have a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have a group of 10 and they circled it. And they had 5 left over, 5 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together, they had 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So if you want the challenge, we're going to do 10 plus 5 equals 15, okay? And you can even count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now over here, we're going to make the number 16, okay? So you can use your counters if you want to, or you can use a marker or crayon, whatever you want to use on your paper. All right, this one, Miss Keegan, will do it with the counters, okay? I'm going to show you the counters. So we need 16 counters, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I may not be able to fit them all because they're so big. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's my group of 10, okay? So there's my group of 10, and you don't have to circle it if you're doing it with counters. You don't have to circle it, okay? Because you have a group here, and we're just going to go ahead and make our 6 over here on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you separate it like that, I can see that you have a group of 10 and a group of 6. So I know that's 16. But let me write the math sentence. So 10 plus, there's our 10. Then we get 6 more and put a 6. And that's going to equal 16. So I have my math sentence with it too, okay? So now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 plus 6 is 16. All right, so now we're going to come down here and try to do 13 together, okay? You could do it again with your counters if you want to, but Miss Keegan's going to do it with pictures, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my 10 because that's the one in the front, right? So 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there's my 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my group of 10. So that way I know there's 10 there. And that's an easy count, right? 10, right? And now we want 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. There's my 3. See, 10 and 3 make 13. So here I'm going to write my math sentence. So I'm going to do 10 because that's what I started with. And then I'm going to get plus because I'm getting more. I get 3 more. So I'm going to put a 3 and underline it, and that's my equal sign. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So a 1 and a 3. So I'm going to count it. There's 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 here. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and go to the number 14. And this one I'll do with my counters. So since I need to use some of these counters because I don't think I have enough here. Oh, maybe I can get some more. Hold on. I think I have more counters. Oh, I do. All right, let me get out my counters. All right, let's get 10 counters. So, because it's 14, so I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to leave them all in a group like that, okay? I don't have to circle them because they're all in a group together, right? And now I have 10, so I need to get to 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I'm at 14. So 10 and 4 make 14. So I'm going to go ahead and write my math sentence, okay? So I'm going to do 10, because that's right here, plus, all right, and I got 4 more. So I'm going to put 4, and then I'm going to put my equals, and then it equals 14. I ran out of room over here, so I'm going to write it down here. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I did it with my counters. All right, now down here, it's a little bit tricky, okay? Now, they're showing us what to do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We already know that's 10. And then we have 11 and 12, and they made the number 12, okay? So we're going to look at our tens frame, make sure that we have our full 10. Then we're going to put how many ones are left over, how many are on the side to make that number. So there's 10, 11, 12, okay? So let's go ahead and go to this one. This one just shows us 10, but we want the number 13. So, how many more counters or how many more dots do we need to make 13? Let's see. We got 10. I'm going to do it with my marker on this one. 11, 12, 13. So I needed 3 more. So 10 and 3 make 13. So now I can write my math sentence. 10 plus, we got 3 more, put a 3, equals 13. All right, so there we go. We did it with that. So let's go look at this one. 10 and, we just need to make 10, right? So we already have 10. So we don't have to do anything. So there's 0 there. We don't have to put anything. So we could just write our math sentence. 10 plus nothing, 0, equals 10. So that one was pretty easy because we didn't have to do anything to make 10. What do we need to do to make 11? All right, so we have 10. If you want to use a counter, 11. 10, 11. So 10 plus, we got 1 counter. 1 equals 11. A 1 and a 1. So 10, 11. So there's so many different ways to make those teen number, guys. So I want you to do it this way, and thank you for doing it with me. And now we're going to flip our paper over, and this is where you guys have to do this one by yourselves. Miss Keegan's going to help you with the first 3, just so you can remember what to do. You're going to do the rest for me, okay? So here we go. We're going to go ahead and count our tens frames and see what number we get. And remember, challenge friends, if you want to try to write the words, you can. All right, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A 1 and a 6. All right, and then you could try to even write the word 16. So 6, and I don't have a lot of room, so I have to put teen on the bottom. 16. All right, let's try to count this one. Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to put a 1 and a 5, which is 15. And challenge friends, if you want to try to write it, 15. Miss Keegan had to write it on the bottom again. So 15. So we have 16, 15, and let's try this one. You ready? 10. There's nothing down here, so I don't have to count anything. So it's 10. All right, so I'm going to write a 10, and then I'm going to go ahead and write my word 10. 10. All right, so there was 16, 15, and 10. I want you to count these ones and give me those numbers that go along with that. So you guys can do a great job. I know you can. You got it, you got it, you got it. Have fun, guys.